We're continuing this question here, question 6 on the May 2022 CSEC Mathematics past paper. We just calculated the surface area. Now we're asked to calculate the volume of the solid as part B. Alright? We're going to calculate the volume of the solid. Let's just erase parts of the board first. This was 264. Let's erase the board. We didn't erase it in the previous video. I have to just erase it now. What else is up here? Alright, let's erase these. And then, what we're asked to do is to calculate the volume of the solid. Now, this shape, if you cut it right along here and go across with the cut like this, what you're going to get is this. You are going to have two shapes. You will have something like this, going down here, down here, down here, this way, and then this way. Alright. Then you're going to have something like this. It should go across here, this way, this way. Then you have your semicircle. Make the semicircle go down this way. Alright. It goes across here. Okay. Now, the thing is, you want the volume. This is 4 by 4 by 12. The cuboid, or what they call the pyramid. You have a rectangular pyramid, or prism, not pyramid, prism. The pyramid would have a pointed top, like the Egyptian pyramid. It should be prism. So the prism would look like this, 4 by 4 by 12. So this is 4 high by 4 wide by 12 long. And then you have to remember now the area of a cylinder, a complete cylinder. But you know the radius was 2 cm. Everything in cm. And the width here is 12 cm. I didn't bother to put the cm there, but in exam you can put that. Right? I don't want to crowd the writing too much. So, the volume of the prism is 4 cm multiplied by 4 cm multiplied by 4 cm. 4, 4, 16, 16, 4, 64. And remember now the volume is in centimeter cube, so it's in cubic centimeters. The volume of the semicircle cylinder, call it S cylinder, the semi-cylinder. Remember the formula for a cylinder is pi r squared h. But this is half of a cylinder. So it's half pi r squared h. So this is going to be half times pi times the radius is 2 squared times 12. You could consider this. Half of 12 is 6 and 2 squared is 4. So it's 4 times 6 times pi. See that? You half the 12 and you get 6 if you rearrange everything. Half by 12 by 4 by 2 squared. So half of 12, half by 12 by 4, which is 2 squared. Half of 12 is 6. 2 2 is 4. So it's 4 by 6 is 24 pi cm cube. Now here is 24 pi cm cube. You can work it out. Work out the pi. Alright. And then what you get when you do that is going to be, what's it again? 24 pi. So let's see. Calculator. 24 multiplied by pi equal 75.398. I'll keep it to 3 decimal places until I get the answer. So it's 75.398 cm cube, cubic centimeters. So now, the volume of the solid, the total volume of the solid will be 64 plus 75.398 equals, then when I reach the answer, I could round off. 64 by 75.398. 64 times 75.398 equal 4,825. Alright. Oh no, what did I do? Multiply? Oh man, I should multiply, I should add. That was my mistake. It's plus, I was thinking, how is the number so big? 139, call it 139.4. So, it's 139.4 cm cube. 139.4 cubic centimeters. See that? After that now, the solid is made from gold. 1 cubic centimeter of gold has a mass of 19.3 grams. The cost of 1 gram of gold is 42.62. Calculate the cost of the gold. Alright, so once let's copy this and paste over there. We know that it's 139.4 cm cube. So we're going to put that there. Where's the thing that I just pasted? It's gone all the way up here. Alright, so let's put it down here. Now, here, we want to find out, alright, it says the solid is made of gold. 1 cubic centimeter has a mass of 19.3 grams. We want to find out how many grams this is. So, since 1 cubic centimeter is 19.3 grams and we have 139 cubic centimeters, then what we say is the mass equals 139.4 multiplied by 19.3. You see that? 139.4 by 19.3. So Alright, we still have our 129.398. So let's just use it. By 19.3 equals 2690. So we have 2690 point. Let us, since we're dealing with money here and so on, let's not round it off too much. 0.38. Alright, 0.3814. Let's use that. 0.3814. Alright? We don't want to lose any money here. So let's use the 4 decimal places. The cost of 1 gram of gold. Alright, so this is the mass in gram. The cost of 1 gram of gold is 42.62. So the cost of the gold, calculate the cost of the gold used to make the solid. This is equal to 2690.3814 multiplied by 42.62. So we multiply this by 42.62 and see what we get. 42.62 equals 114,664.05. So it's $114,664. Alright, 46 cents. That's what we see there. Alright. Oh, 0.05. It will be 6 cents, not 46 cents. So let's erase this and put a 0 there instead. So $114,664.06. So that is the cost of the gold. And that's the end of question 6. We'll look at question 7 in another video.